What's up everybody, welcome to your 13th C++ tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a while loop. Now what a while loop is, excuse me, got whooping cough. What a while loop is pretty much a for loop without all the beginning variables in it. It pretty much is a naked for loop. It pretty much just has the test condition in the body. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is declare a variable. Just make it a basic integer variable and set it equal to whatever you like. I'm going to set mine equal to 1. And the next thing you want to do after you declare the variable is start actually making the loop. Now unlike for, the syntax for this is while. And what this is pretty much going to do is you're going to have a test condition in the parentheses, and it's going to be something like when x is less or equal to 10 and then this thing in parentheses is called the test condition, so it's going to run whenever x is less than or equal to 10. So now that you told it when to run, you gotta tell it what to do. So it says, alright, when x is less than or equal to 1, add your semicolons. What do we want you to do? We can make you do anything we want. So let's make you output on the screen. There we go. See out. That's right. Hey there, Bessie. So we want you to output hey there, Bessie, and then let's just end the line. And now, unlike the for loop, you don't automatically increment up here. So right now we have, alright, integer x is equal to 1. And if we just keep running this and running this, it's going to be equal to 1 the whole time, and it's always going to be less than or equal to 10. So this is going to be an infinite loop, and it's going to keep running and running. So since we don't want that, we want to change x. So we say, alright, after you're done running this, we want you to make x equal to x plus 1. And what this is going to do is allow you to increment x by 1 each time, so it doesn't just keep running and running. And I'll show you guys what this does later. But again, to recap, you have your syntax for your while loop. This is called your test condition right here, and this in the semicolons, this is called the body. The body is pretty much the instructions for your loop, or what you want it to do. So enough talk, let's see this baby in action. Execute, compile, and run. Hopefully I don't got any errors. And hopefully if everything goes right, it should say hey there, Bessie 10 times. So again, it says hey there, Bessie, yada yada yada. And again, like the for loop, I'll show you guys by plugging x in the variable instead of a string when you execute, compile, and run. Right now, in this case, it outputs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this, again, is because we changed the variable and incremented it by 1 each time, instead of just keeping it 1. So, the difference between while loop and a for loop is pretty much that it's pretty much just stripped of all this at the beginning, and you increment it in your body instead of your test condition. So that is the difference between a while loop and a for loop. And another thing I wanted to note, if this is false at the beginning, for example, if your variable was 11, then anything in the body isn't even going to run at all. So in order to this to run at all, this test condition needs to be true. If it's false, your body isn't going to run at all. But I'm sure you guys could figure that out. So those are pretty much the syntax and the basics to a while loop. I hope you learned something. Study this, practice making a while loop, and once you did, you can move on to my next tutorial. So thanks for watching. Bye.